How often have you stopped to ponder how every element in the universe, from the smallest atom to the vast galaxies, seems to operate in a breathtaking harmony? This seamless orchestration of existence is no mere coincidence. It is the manifestation of an underlying structure and coherence that permeates all levels of reality. Imagine the universe as a grand symphony. Each note, no matter how small, is vital to the composition's overall harmony. In the same vein, the universe is composed of atoms, which come together to form molecules. These molecules then form cells, and these cells form organisms, each operating on the same principles of physics, yet producing vastly different phenomena at different scales. It's like a set of Russian nesting dolls. Each layer, from the smallest doll to the largest, is an integral part of the whole. Yet each layer exists independently, serving its unique purpose. This is the structure of nature, a complex, multi-layered system where each component plays a crucial role in the grand scheme of things. Now, consider the concept of coherence, which is the principle that all components of a system work together in an orderly and harmonious manner. Picture an orchestra. Every instrument plays a different part, but when combined, they create a beautiful symphony. Similarly, the laws of physics govern the movement of planets and stars, creating a cosmic orchestra of celestial bodies. This coherence is also evident in the way Earth's ecosystems support each other to create diverse life forms. It's like a web where each strand, no matter how thin, contributes to the overall strength and function of the web. But what about meaning in creation? When we look beyond the physical function of an object or phenomenon, we often seek a deeper understanding of its existence and contribution to the whole. In this context, the structure of nature provides us with a framework to comprehend the world around us and our place within it. Picture a puzzle. Each piece has its unique shape and image, but it's only when all the pieces come together that we see the complete picture. This is the meaning in creation. Every atom, every organism, every star, they all have a role to play in the grand design of the universe. In conclusion, the harmony and coherence in the universe are testament to the beauty and complexity of creation. By exploring the structure of nature and the meaning behind it, we can develop a greater appreciation for the world around us and our role within it. It's like peering into a kaleidoscope. Each turn reveals a new pattern, a new perspective, enhancing our understanding and appreciation of the grand spectacle that is the universe. So, the next time you look up at the night sky, remember you're not just looking at stars, you're witnessing a symphony of existence, a puzzle of creation, a kaleidoscope of life.